Hello students, welcome to our today's topic, that is electrical carbon. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the third important conducting material, that is electrical carbon. Before we starting the lecture, first of all I would like to share two important points with you. In last lecture we had discussed about the conducting material of copper and aluminium. Okay, and one questions sometimes asked in your examination, what is the purpose of conducting material of copper and aluminium for the construction of any electrical machines? Now copper kind of material can be made into a thin wire. So the copper material is only used for the construction of winding for any electrical machine where we flow the current. And aluminium kind of material cannot be made into a thin wires. It can made into a thin sheets. That's why aluminium kind of materials only used for the construction of transformer tank. Okay, so copper is used for the construction of winding of an electrical machine, and aluminium is used for the construction of transformer tank of any electrical machines. Okay, now let us start our discussion with the today's topic, that is electrical carbon. Now as we know that the carbon material, the electrical carbon material is made from graphite and other form of carbon. As we know that graphite is also a conducting material because it will allow to flow the current in a material. So whatever the material is made from graphite and other form of carbon, that material it should be a electrical carbon material. Next important point is conductivity of carbon is less than both the material, that is copper and aluminum, but its surface is smoother, so it is used to make brushes in an electrical machine. Okay, now conductivity of carbon. See, the surface of carbon is very smooth and it is used at the rotor end for making the load constant. The purpose of carbon is used at the rotor side for making the load is constant. I have one question for you. Have you seen at your home, whatever the load is connected at your home, all the load is going to be rotate after turned on the supply? The answer will come out to be no. Okay, because we have used carbon brushes at rotating side, and that is used for making the load is constant. But what happened when wire is directly connected with the rotor? Then the load is also in a rotating motion with the rotor. Okay, so that's why for making the load is constant, carbon is used at the rotor side. Now third important point is carbon brushes are graphited or heat treated to increase conductivity and reduce hardness. Okay, and another question is that why we are not used iron and aluminium kind of material instead of electrical carbon? Because when two metals are contact with each other and are going to friction to each other, then it will give us a spark and it will harmful to the machine. So that's why the smoother surface like carbon is used instead of iron and aluminium material. Is that clear? Now the fourth important point is graphite has negative temperature coefficient. What do you mean by graphite has negative temperature coefficient? Because its resistance is going to be decreased with increase in temperature of per degree Celsius. Now as we know that resistance is what? Resistance is nothing but it is equals to R naught into 1 minus alpha into del T. Minus sign indicates that the material has negative temperature coefficient. Material has negative temperature coefficient. So what do you mean by negative temperature coefficient? As temperature increases, resistance is going to be decreased. Okay, that is the actual meaning of the negative temperature coefficient. See, whatever the current flow in an material, whatever the current flow in a material, okay, it will give us a losses. Any kind of losses occur, like variable losses or copper losses, and due to this losses temperature will automatically increases, and due to the negative temperature coefficient its resistance going to be decreases. So whatever the voltage is dropped at brushes, BVD means the voltage, brush drop voltage. Okay, BVD means brush drop voltage, which is equals to the IR, and that is constant. Why? Because current is increases and resistance is decreases. So that's why it make a constant of a brush drop voltage. Okay, so that's all about the conducting material of electrical carbon.